Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the payable in Solidity smart contract. Let's create a new contract. Let's copy these two lines from here and let's write a contract payable demo. Okay, so let's start with writing a variable address public owner constructor and owner payable sorry owner is equal to message dot sender. Now create a function deposit public payable. Okay, whenever we use the keyword payable with the function, so it means that whenever user call this function have to deposit any value in it. So let's see how it's work. Let's deploy it, compile it, then now deploy it. We have deployed this contract and now we can see that there are two functions, deposit and owner. Deposit function is in red color, so it says that deposit plus transact payable. It's a payable function. Now click on it. Here we have clicked on it, and what does it say? It's executed but didn't get any amount. Let's deposit 1 ether. Okay, now you can see the balance here. This is the balance of a smart contract. We have deposited 1 ethereum and now contract have 1 ethereum. Okay, now this is the one way to see the balance of the smart contract. We can also see the balance by creating a function get balance, make it public view and returns uint. Okay, so it will return address. This means current smart contract address and dot balance. So let's redeploy it. Now we can see the get balance function. Now click on it, click on deposit by entering an amount. Now get balance. Now we have 2 ethers. Okay, So remember one thing, that whenever we deposit or user deposit anything on a smart contract, it will go inside the smart contract. It will not go to the wallet, the one who deployed the contract. So always create a function in a smart contract that will withdraw that amount to your wallet or the owner wallet. Otherwise, it will reside for lifetime in that smart contract. Let's see how we can withdraw the amount. Now create a function withdraw. Make it public and get the balance from balance function. And now transfer balance. Okay, the transfer function will transfer the amount inside the owner of this smart contract. Now let's save it. It gives us error. What it say? Send and transfer are only available for object type address payable, not address. Okay, so if your address is receiving any amount, then you have to use the keyword here also. I'll save it. Okay, another error. Okay, type address is not implicitly convertible to expected type address payable. So it means that you have to convert this to payable also, like this. Okay, now it's working. Let's see by deploying it. We have deployed it. Now let's select another user. uh, let's enter 1 ether. Let's enter 10 ether and deposit it. Okay, now you can see that 10 ether is in deposit, and you can see the 89.99 in this contract. Now let's withdraw it. So withdraw it, and withdraw will go to amount will go to the owner of this smart contract. So that's how we can withdraw the amount. Okay, that's one important thing here that we have missed here. uh, this function should be called by only owner. So we have to enter a condition that only owner can call this function. Also, this function should be called by owner. Why everyone call this function? So let's create a modifier here. Modifier only owner, require message dot center equal to owner. Only owners can access this function owner. Okay, and now use this here and here also. Before replying it, let's check that withdraw can be called by anyone right now. So now let's re-reply it and check it. uh, Select user and 95 ether and deposit it. Okay, 95 ether deposited by this user. So now the same user is now calling withdraw function. Okay, so the transaction is cancelled and it says is only owner can access this function. Now move to owner and then press withdraw. uh, I think which one is the owner? 01. I think this one is the owner. Yes. So yes, he got 193 now, and he can successfully call withdraw function. Okay. Uh, Now there is another function that we can call it if we want to transfer uh, some Ethereum, some amount to any other address, or some gift to any other address. So how we can do that? Let's see. Create a function transfer and pass a address and make it payable, because we will going to transfer the amount to it, and the amount that we want to transfer, make it public and call it owner. Only owner can transfer amount it. Okay. Okay. Now the address and the function called transfer, as we use earlier also, and the amount underscore amount that we are going to transfer to it. Let's see how it works. Let's select this user first and deploy it from this contract. Okay, now let's select the another user and deposit 10 Ethereum to it. Okay, now let's move to the owner of this contract again, and let's select this user first. Copy the address of this user. Now go to owner of his address again and enter true address, and now enter the amount. The amount is in V, so we have amount in ether in a smart contract, so we will transfer it to this contract. This equal to 10 ether. Now transacted. Let's see. This amount will get, this address will get now 110. Transacted. Okay, transaction completed. Now we have zero balance and see, yes. So this addresses have now 110 ether. So that's how we can deposit the amount, get balance of the smart contract amount, then withdraw that amount to the owner address and also transfer to any amount, any account. But always remember that do use modifier of only owner, so it makes sure that the function you are calling should be called by an owner only, not anyone.